All right, it's time for your assignment on indexes, keys, and constraints. For this assignment, a new client, Joe Tidyman, the owner of Sloppy Joe's restaurant, needs some help optimizing his database so that it can scale. He already has the database set up, but he'll need your help adding keys, indexes, and constraints to make sure his data quality is protected as he ramps up the business and adds a very large number of records. You can use these queries to see what's in the tables already, use schema Sloppy Joe's, and then look in the customer orders, menu items, and staff tables. Now, he's not prescribing the exact keys, indexes, and constraints that you'll need to add, so you, as the database expert, are going to need to take a look at his data structure and make those decisions for yourself so that his data is protected as he scales. Just like all the assignments, try and struggle through this on your own, get to the answer, and then come back and watch the solution video. Good luck.